I'm Bob Hahn with Hahn & Houle Chartered Accountants. This is a challenging economic climate, and Alberta companies have to struggle to maintain profits and cash flow. But not to worry, there's reason to be optimistic. By identifying waste in your company, you can prune what your customer is willing to pay for and increase profitability and cash flow. Let's talk about how. Think about your business as a tree. As your business grows and you generate more and more revenue, you likely will also take on more and more expenses. However, not all expenses are created equally. Some expenses add value to the client, for example, direct materials. These are expenses that bear fruit, so to speak. These are expenses that the customers are willing to pay for. Other expenses do not add value, for example, Oilers tickets or entertainment costs. Another example would be legal fees. These are expenses that the customer is not willing to pay for, and these are considered deadwood on our business tree, and we need to hack these off as much as possible. Now, we are accountants and we love numbers, so here's a traditional accounting statement. We have revenue at the top, subtract from that direct costs, and you have your gross margin. Subtract general and administrative expenses from that, and you're left with net income. But let's turn it around and look at it this way, in terms of branches bearing fruit and branches that are deadwood. Now, here is a lean accounting statement, where things have been split into value streams. Now, this really isn't a departure from divisional accounting, but the real impact appears on the expense side, where we allocate value-added expenses to each value stream and subtract non-value-added expenses at the end to arrive at the same net income number we arrived at on the traditional accounting statement. Having this now lean accounting statement, managers may make different decisions based on how each value stream is performing, different than they would versus a traditional accounting statement. Remember, the customer is willing to pay for fruit, not deadwood. So let Hahn & Houle be your arborist. Call us today and let's chat about the many ways we can prune the many branches sprouting from your business.